Welcome back. Today I'm making Ritz cracker party sandwiches, and this is what they look like. All you're going to need are Ritz crackers, mustard, butter, crushed red pepper, ham and cheese of your choice, Worcestershire sauce, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and poppy seeds. The first step I did was I melted a few tablespoons of butter. Now this recipe, this appetizer, is all about choices. I'm going to start with onion powder, and garlic powder, crushed red pepper. Now Mark likes pepper more than I do, so barely any of that in there. Worcestershire sauce. The pepper cannon. So just black pepper. And I've got Dijon mustard. Again, these are all your choices on the quantity. It depends how much you're going to make, too. Whoops. A little for me. And we're going to mix it up. So taste it. If this is how you like it, or make some adjustments to it. No, I think that's good. So I'm going to set this aside, and then I'm going to bring together ham and the cheese. We picked maple glazed honey ham from the deli and creamy Havarti cheese. So this is really easy. You could even have kids do this. You're going to, let me move these out of the way so you can see. You're going to place with the top side down. And you have choice on Ritz crackers too. You can get the original. We've got the hint of salt. It's going to be like a little sandwich. Right, there's our ham. This is the creamy Havarti. This is what we like. The original recipe called for Swiss. You can certainly do that. So I'm just folding it into smaller pieces and then fold it again. Because it's going to go into an oven, 350. And that's just to warm everything and to melt the cheese. So I'm going to add another piece of ham on top. Okay, now we can put the tops on, or the other part of our sandwich, or to make it a sandwich. Definitely make it ahead of time. It's in the fridge, and then for party come out, blend it from temperature. Okay, here's our last step. What do you think, Mark? Do you think it needs one more pepper?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so then you're going to coat each one of them. And the final step is going to be putting the poppy seeds on top. All right, now top with poppy seeds. Another option would be sesame seeds. Okay. Then it goes into the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Now we wait. Oh yeah. That's a good looking appetizer there.
Hey, sweetie.
Hi. We were sick, but we're doing much better now. So that's why we wanted to share this recipe with you, because it was so easy. It was so easy to change to the way you like it. So ham and cheese and all the seasonings with butter, melted butter.
I'm going in.
All right, you're going in. Cover me. Wow. And it's gone. Oh my God. Ritz cracker party sandwiches. It's hard to say. But really good.
Delicious.
Really fast. I like that.
We made these the other day. Excellent. This time we added a piece of ham on the top, so it's ham, cheese, ham.
Right.
I recommend that.
Yeah, I think so too. I think that was a good change.
And the crackers are salty, so first batch we made were a little salty. These were way better.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's why you could get the different kind of Ritz crackers. The hint of salt. You know, if you're cutting back on salt.
Yeah, I would get them less salt if you can find them.
Mm-hmm. Well, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. We'll be putting out more videos. Take care. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
You have things in your teeth.
Oh, great.